Click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon for watching more update videos. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum friends, this is Sami and you are watching Civil Engineers YouTube channel. Dear friends, in this video lecture today I'm gonna show you here the basic knowledge for civil engineers, which are the too much important for all civil engineers, and they should keep in their minds all these points which I'm discussing with you. If you need the article and text form about this video, so the link is in the description of this video. Click on that link, then you will get the text or the article about this video. Okay, also click on that. Okay, so also subscribe our channel and click the bell icon which is near with the subscribe button, then you will get notification about any video. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. Let's start. So basic knowledge for civil engineers. So the first one, we have weight of first class brake should be not less than 3.85 kg. So the first class brake weight should be 3.85 kg. Keep in your mind this point, okay? And also the second one, we have about the brake, okay? So tensile strength of the first class brake should not be less than 3000 lbs per inch square, okay? Not less than. And the third one, the normal building height should be 315 centimeter. The height of the normal building, okay? Our normal building height should be 315 centimeter. And the fourth one, we have the normal height of the riser should be 15 centimeter, okay? So this is the stair, okay? So this is the just cross section, right? So this should be 15 centimeter, okay? Riser should be 15 centimeter. And one hook length should be not less than 9D, okay? It should be 9D, okay? So this is the stirrup for column, beam, etc., okay? And these are the stirrups, okay? This one, right? So this is the hook, okay? So the hook length should be not less than 9D, okay? D, where D is a dia of the stirrup, okay? Dia of stirrup. And sixth one, we have a first class brake should be absorb the water 1/5 or 1/6 of the brake weight, okay? And the seventh one, we have a window height should be 120 centimeters. So this is the window, okay? And this is the window height, okay? So this should be 120 centimeter, right? And the other one, we have a DBC thickness should be not less than 2.5 centimeters. So this is the cross section, long section for DPC, long section, which should be 2.5 centimeter. Okay, so lintel thickness should be 15 centimeter. Okay, so this is the lintel thickness should be 15 centimeter. The other one, normal and local cent FM limit should be 0.5 to 0.8. Okay, so these are the too much important basic knowledge for civil engineer. Keep in your mind and don't forget to like this video and share this video with your friends. If you need the article about this video, so the link is in the description of this video. Thank you, all the best, bye.